When I first saw pictures of his flag, my first thought was, this is beyond restoration. Then I learned this gentleman was a 100% disabled naval veteran, and this particular flag had flown on his ship. I talked with our seamstresses, and we decided to donate our time to preserve this flag.
I guess I was overwhelmed by just the privilege of the whole idea of it. And I had never done anything like this before, but it was very intriguing. Each one of them independently looked at the flag and said, I can't wait to work on this.
First time I saw the flag, I was freaked out. But what I took away from the restoration experience, it was so fulfilling to be able to make his flag look right, look beautiful, present it back to him almost as a gift of honoring one of our veterans.
I think when we first heard about the flag and where it was coming from, we were all excited about having our hands on some tangible history. A conversation we had as we were working on the flag was that flag very much made us recognize that it represented our soldiers and our veterans that were willing to give so much. And it was just an honor and a privilege to work on it, and I'd do it again.
But these restoration projects really have special meaning for everyone at our company, especially when it's for a veteran.
I remember the first time that I saw this flag, I didn't feel very nervous because I knew we were all at this together. As far as doing my part in it, I felt very honored. I'm really taking part in history. I just enjoyed every minute of it.
Step by step, over a period of weeks, the flag was restored to its original glory. We're very proud to work on American flag restoration projects.
At first, when I saw it, I was a bit overwhelmed. I wasn't sure how it could be done. I think what made the difference, though, was that we all worked together on it. My biggest takeaway was just being able to put the experience of working together on something historical.